How to create a call link on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to create a WhatsApp call link so it's quick and easy. Without further delay, let's get started. Launch WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure your app is up to date. Now tap on the call icon at bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the plus button at bottom right and select New Call Link at top of your screen. Here you need to choose the call type, that is video or voice. Suppose if I want to select the video type, now you can easily copy the link and then paste it in anywhere to send the link, or you can send link via WhatsApp. You can even tap on the share link icon and send the link through another app or platform. Once the link is there, just wait for your contacts to join. To join a call, you simply need to tap the link and hit the join button on the call screen. So thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and comment.